Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the thumbnail, your girl is about to have some fly ass nails, okay? Yes. So, I ordered this nail kit from Amazon, you guys. $29.99. I will put the link to the nail kit below. This nail kit includes everything you guys need to get started, okay? So, it includes the nail lamp, the polygel, everything you need, dual forms, everything. And if something is missing, you guys is my witness, okay? Because I'm unboxing it with you guys, alright? The box is closed. The box is closed everywhere. So yeah, let's get ready to unpack. Y'all, we almost there. Okay, let me try to get this up. Alright. Struggling. Make sure you can't get a piece of this shit. Okay, we are inside the box, and there is another box. Wowzers. Let's take it out carefully. Now I'm just going to open this box off camera because you seen the struggle was real. By the way, you guys, the package is fairly light. Now I'm just going to cut it down the middle. And try to pull it open. Alright, we are in. Casilia. Alright. Let's start unbagging. So, in this bag, it seems as though they have everything that you would need to, you know, design your nails, get your nails started. Wow, this is a nice kit, you guys. I cannot wait to do a video. Let's start getting this rest of this stuff out the box. This is the UV lamp that it came with. Let's see. The top of it says, I don't know what the symbol means. 60 seconds, 120 seconds. This is a 36 watt quick dry nail lamp, and it is perfect for your whole hand. Wow, that is cool, y'all. I am so excited. And this is the card that it comes with. Of course, you're going to need your own part that goes into the wall. You know, you just put this into one of your charger things that go into the wall. And boom, you can plug up your UV lamp. What else is this? Something says professional nail art. Casilia. What's in here? These are the top coat. Can you see? Focus. Top coat, you guys. It showed, but it disappeared really quick. Let's see. And this is a base coat. Base coat. A top coat and base coat is inside of this. And in the box, they have 6 different colors. Y'all, I am so excited. Y'all just don't know. Oh my goodness. So, poly extension gel, quick building nail gel. It says keep tightly sealed, keep out of reach of children, keep out of the sunlight. And this is number 2. Okay. Let me open it up to see what number 2 looks like. So, number 2 has a seal. I'm going to take the seal off and we're going to see what it looks like. Ooh, number 2 is like a soft looking pink. You can't really tell from the camera. It doesn't do you justice, but you guys, wow. I'm so excited to try this nail kit. I gotta hurry up and finish showing you guys so I can try this nail kit and show you guys that too. It has number 3 in it. So, this is number 3. Number 3 is damaged, as you guys can see. It's already spilled through the label that's still on there. I don't understand. I know it looks so bright, y'all. There we go. Now you see what I'm talking about. Oh my. I am still excited to use this kit. Like I said, it's very cheap. It's $29.99. Very affordable. You guys can basically do this yourself. You can watch videos on YouTube and figure it out. But wow, what do I do about this? Number 3 was very sticky. It's sticky. It left some sticky crap on my hand. Ugh. You see it? Ugh. So I don't know what you do when your products are damaged and you get them from Amazon. I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. It still should work. Now, if it don't work, then they're gonna hear from me. This is number 7. Number 7 isn't damaged. Number 7 is still sealed up, but we do not know what color it is. I'm gonna remove the seal for you guys, and we're gonna see together. Alrighty, so number 7 looks clear. It looks clear, you guys. Let me know what you think. Yeah, so it just sucked back down there. You see it? Alrighty, so number 7 is clear. This is number 8, not damaged. I know you guys are probably tired of me saying that, but since one was damaged, I am paying attention to if anything else is damaged or if it's missing out of the kit. So yeah, this number 8. I'm gonna take the seal off and show you guys what color. Ooh, it's the pretty pink again, y'all. I don't know what color I'm gonna do my nails, but y'all see my nails. My nails are a hot mess, okay? Hot mess. Gotta do something to them. So I guess this is number 6, you guys. Number 6. Or if I flip it around, 900. But hey, I'll go with number 6. Let me take the seal off and let's see. Okay, this is white. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful, y'all. So beautiful. I'm definitely using this in one of the pinks on at least one of my nails. Wow, that is so beautiful. Okay, guys, this is the last one, and I'm going to remove the seal. We will see what color it is, and we will get to that first bag that I took out of the kit. It had way more things in it, and it was just best to go ahead and show you guys these things first. So this is number 4. Ooh, that's that baby looking soft pink. Seems like it looks like another color, but hey, I'll take it. All right, guys, let's get to the bag of goodies. Okay, here's the bag of goodies, you guys. We have a nail file in there. Feels pretty soft, but I won't know until I open it and use it on the next video for you guys. We have some tweezers. I can't read that. If anybody can read that, let me know what it says below in the comments. Okay. We have another washable, disinfectable buffer looking thing. Okay. Pretty good. Pretty good. That's what I have to say about this kit. It comes with everything that I need. This is some type of nail pen. I am going to open this for you guys because I'm curious to know what it looks like. So, yes. So, this side opens. Oh, it's not even a nail pen. It's brushes. Wow. Y'all, this is so neat. I can't fucking wait to use this. Okay. Let's see what this side is. Wow. This is to scoop the poly gel out of its container. Okay. But you guys will see that on a video. It comes with a chemical trimmer. It comes with some cuticle oil. Wow. I see the fruits on the container. I wonder what kind I have. You guys have to find out on my next video. Okay, you guys. These are the dual forms. These are what you put the polygel in to press it onto your nail and build your nail. And then you stick it under the UV light. These are the dual forms. You see they come with the lines on there. Yes. Your girl's in business. You ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Here goes the brush to brush off any dust and debris. Comes with a nice brush, y'all. Everybody should know what this is. Comes with one of these. Alrighty. And here is the poly extension gel. This is the nail liquid, the slip solution. You use this to keep your poly gel from sticking. Or, of course, you can use alcohol whenever you run out of this. This is a good size, you guys. 1 ounce. I know it don't sound like a lot, but your nails are very tiny. So, this should last, a while. It's not like we washing our body in it. And these are some nail cleanser wipes. Comes with those. Wow. It comes with some type of ballet dance stickers and some some more wipes. Okay. We're almost done. It comes with these toe separators. Comes with some string for designs to put on your nails. And it also comes with these rhinestones. Oh my goodness, y'all. How gorgeous. I took 2 papers out the bag. This is the last item in the bag, toenail clipper. This comes with instructions, you guys. It comes with instructions. The best nail kit that's cheap to get. Alright, you guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video.